the bill further to amend the Banking Regulation Act 1949 be taken into consideration. We are trying to bring this amendment in order to protect the depositors who in the last 2 years, honorable members, sir, through you I wish to say, would know that depositors in some unfortunate situations in banks or cooperative societies which are operating as banks are put to hardship, either because these banks have fallen into bad days, requiring therefore the regulator to bring a moratorium, and to solve the problem seems to consume all the time. इस रेगुलेशन इसीलिए एक एक्ट के द्वारा, बिल अमेंडमेंट के द्वारा हमने मार्च बजट सेशन के समय उसको पेश किया था. We had introduced this bill in order to have the amendments brought in so that depositors' interest will be taken care of. But unfortunately, because during the budget session we couldn't have this bill passed, we had to bring an ordinance. And that ordinance was brought in only because, sir, the financial health of many of these cooperative societies which were also performing as banks was becoming very delicate.
Government of various states announced a complete lockdown of public places like theatres in their states by March 15, 2020. This was followed by the social distancing advisory issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on March 16, 2020. These measures have led not only to a shutdown of several theatres countrywide, but also an indefinite halt in production of several films, television, and other entertainment medium. Because of this, the entire industry has been suffering. Lakhs and lakhs of people have been losing their jobs. The condition of the Bengal film industry is also very bad. So thousands of people working in this film industry, directly or indirectly, like actors, singers, technicians, makeup artists, thousands of laborers working behind the camera and in the production teams are absolutely jobless. The industry is facing huge financial crisis. As a colleague, along with other people from the film fraternity, I have tried to help but could not. Thus, I would request the government to kindly look into the matter and sanction relief packages for the entertainment industry and its people for the immediate revival.
से उनके अधीन मामले उठाने की अनुमति प्रदान की गई है. वे अपने मामले के अनुमोदित पाठ को व्यक्तिगत रूप से सभा पटल पर रख दें.